Hello, everyone.
The video shows how to use the zip code to target location in YiLu Proxy.
Here I search zip codes on a website, and you can find it on the video description.
If you know the zip code, you can directly enter it in YiLu Proxy. Firstly, select a country. Then you can see some postal codes and cities. Click one. Then copy a postal code.
Paste it in YiLu Proxy.
Click Go. Then the location will automatically change.
And the location is consistent with the location of this zip code.
Try another zip code. Select France. The result is also right. Test again. After selecting the location, click Refresh. You can get some proxy IPs of the location. Then you can use these IPs in the third-party softwares, such as fingerprint browsers. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.